So hello friends, welcome to the Agro family. Here I will start from plant protection part, and from plant protection part we have already another playlist is there, Principles of Agronomy Ready and Ready, where agronomy will be covered as well as some of the important parts from the general agriculture point of view. We will also cover the agriculture and agronomy and the soil science part. So here the most important part about the plant protection. So the basic concept which is frequently asked in examination, this is basically occurrence of the disease. Based on the occurrence of the disease, based on occurrence of a disease. What are the classification? Classification there will be four types. First one is endemic. Second one is epidemic. Third one is sporadic. Fourth one is pandemic. Okay. So now we will go one by one. Okay. So first of all, pandemic. Sorry. First of all, pandemic. Pandemic. This is a warning topic. You know that pandemic. So because of this pandemic, shutdown is there. Whatever the things are going from by the online method. So pandemic. This is COVID-19. Or we can say Omicron. In India it is Omicron. So pandemic, what do you mean pandemic? Pandemic means it is the disease occurrence. Occurrence means what is the spread. So occurrence, pandemic means the spread all over the country. It is if the disease spread all over the continent, or we can say world, then it will be called as pandemic. Example, we can say very recent topic, COVID-19. Yes or no? Okay. Which is prevalent for as well as we can say it is also prevalent, spread all over the country, or we can say it is also prevalent throughout the. It is the disease which is prevalent throughout the continent. This is also called as pandemic. Okay. So now remaining three: endemic, epidemic, and sporadic. Okay. First one is endemic. For understanding purpose, I am saying GI tag. GI tag? GI tag, geographical indication tag. So geographical indication means a substance is there. This substance is the value, you can say the quality or the other things which is remain constant to that particular place. GI tag is given to a particular thing which comes from a particular area. Yes or no? Whatever the GI tag is there, this gives to a thing or object or anything which defines a particular area, which comes from a particular area. And whatever the, you can say, if Odisha, Rasagala, so we are fighting between the Odisha, Rasagala and West Bengal Rasagala. That means Rasagala is also available in Maharashtra, in New Delhi. So in every area, Rasagala is available. But now depends upon the origin, depends upon the quality. So there is a fight whether it is the GI tag is given to the it should be given to the Odisha or it should be given to the West Bengal. But it should be given to the Odisha. Okay. So you just say here GI tag. That means GI tag is given to a particular area. This is origin. Likewise, endemic is also similar to the GI tag. This is GI tag in case of disease. Sorry, in case of disease, plant disease. endemic. So endemic, I can say this endemic means it is more or less, I can say less, more or less constant. This disease is more or less constant to a particular area, to a particular area. Here I can say this area may be a state, or this area may be a what we can say it is a country. This is more or less constant to a particular area, and whatever the disease is there, I can say whatever disease is there, this is occur in that area. Whatever the disease is there, this is occur in that area. So here I will take the disease may be more severe or less severe. The disease may be more severe or less severe, but it is confined. I can say the word confined. Confined to a particular area. Okay. If the disease is confined to a particular area, then it is called as endemic. It is not present in other area. It is confined to a particular area. Example, obviously, this is the example. This is the early blight of potato. Early blight of potato. Okay. So for easy understand, you just remember this is the GI tag. Endemic is the GI tag for disease to a particular area. Okay. So next, this is epidemic. Okay. So you will say here it is a particular district, state or country. This is endemic. Okay. And what other things? It is moderate to severe form in a particular part of country, which is endemic to that area only. And another thing, you just now coming to the epidemic area. Epidemic disease. Epidemic. Here it is moderate to severe. I can say here it was the condition is the disease is moderate to severe. But now we will go to the epidemic. Epidemic means which is occur widely. Epidemic, it is occur widely. What is severe? Epidemic, it occurs widely. It is confined to a particular area, but it occurs widely, and the form is severe. The disease is severe, but the point is it occurs periodically. Yes or no? Periodically means, let us epidemic. Now epidemic, the disease. First of all, I will give you example. Example is late blight of potato. Late blight of potato. Just remember, early blight of potato, endemic. Late blight of potato, this is epidemic. Another example, red rot of sugarcane. Red rot of sugarcane. So, periodically means what? So, it will take some gap. It is severe form. This I can say late blight of potato. You know, Irish famine, late blight of potato. So periodically means it will occur. Now this is 2022. This year is 2022. Now this late blight of potato will occur widely throughout the world in 2022. Again, now it will omit. Okay. In 2022, the severe disease will be there, late blight of potato. Again, it will come 2031. I will see in 2031, again this late blight potato infestation will be there, widely all over the world. Again, I will say in 2052, there will be a wild infestation. So you can say periodically, not continuously. In pandemic, there is a throughout the world prevalent. Prevalent means there will be continuous process. Yes or no? COVID-19 is continuous. Since you can say since 2000, almost it is from 2017-18. Yes or no? Now it is 2022 and it will continue. I don't know whether it will be started from before the 2017. So it is a continuous. It is prevalent, but it is continuous. Prevalent means continuous. It is present in every time all over the world. But epidemic, it is present all over the world, but at a particular time. After that time, there will be no disease. Okay. So periodically, I will found the disease. This is known as epidemic. So you can remember the word, the example, leg blight of potato. Okay. Okay. Very good. So next, this is very easy, sporadic. So again, I will give an example. I think you have already watched the Aparchit. You have watched Aparchit movie. In Aparchit movie, the hero name is Vikram. Tamil movie, Aparchit. Aparchit, what happened? In Aparchit, there is a sudden change in behavior. Yes or no? You cannot think now Aparchit is in that movie. Aparchit, what happened? In 1 minute he is a doctor. Another minute he will become a doctor. Another minute he will become a policeman. In next he will become a thief or bus driver, or it will get. So likewise it will change its character after a minute. You cannot judge that one. Okay, it is very difficult to judge that Aparchit and what is the behavior. You know, अभी उस मूवी में देखा होगा कि जो अपरिचित हीरो है वो अपना गर्लफ्रेंड को बहुत, मतलब अपना गर्लफ्रेंड तो बोल सकते हैं, एक टाइम में उसका गर्लफ्रेंड है, दूसरे टाइम में उसका वो मतलब वाइफ है, तो वो वाइफ को बहुत प्यार करता है और दूसरे टाइम में वो अपना गर्लफ्रेंड को भी बहुत प्यार करता है. तो एक सीन होता है कि वो अपना गर्लफ्रेंड को जाकर मारने की कोशिश करता है. ठीक है, वो तो सोचो अभी वो अपरिचित क्या करता है, अभी उसको प्यार भी कर रहा है, अभी दूसरे टाइम में वो उसको मारने की कोशिश भी कर रहा है. तो अपरिचित लाइकवाइज स्पोरेडिक. Sporadic means it is irregular. It is irregular. Irregular. You cannot say that this is India. Let this is India. Okay. This is India. You cannot say this disease will occur here. This year, this disease will occur here. Next year, this disease will occur here. This disease will occur here. You cannot say. Or like opposite, you cannot identify the disease in which place the disease will occur. This is known as sporadic. Sporadic means irregular. Okay. So another term, location. You cannot find irregular interval. Irregular interval. अभी देखो मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. पैंडेमिक में क्या हुआ? 2000 में साइड टेकिंग 2015 से स्टार्ट हुआ, 2016 में हुआ, 2017 में हो गया, कोविड हुआ, 18 में हुआ, 2019 में हो गया, यस, 20 में हो गया, फिर 2021 में हुआ, 2022 में हुआ, 2023 में भी हुआ. कंटिन्यूस चल रहा है पैंडेमिक. हमको पता है इट इज ए कंटिन्यूस, इट इज प्रीवेलेंट थ्रू आउट द कंट्री. एपिडेमिक में बोलते हैं 2015 में, फॉर एग्जांपल 2015 में हुआ था, 2016 में नहीं हुआ, 17 में नहीं होगा, 18 में भी नहीं होगा. हमको पता है इट इज periodically occur. So after I am saying 2052, now it will happen periodically. Okay, but sporadic, irregular in nature. So 2015 में हुआ था, 16 में भी हुआ, 17 में नहीं हुआ, 18 में हुआ, 19 में हुआ, 20 में हुआ, 21 में नहीं हुआ, फिर 22 में भी नहीं हुआ. Okay, so whatever the occurrence of this disease, you cannot identify. So here irregular interval is there. Here some regular interval is there. Here is also constant throughout the throughout the time period it will present. But here there is irregular interval. as well as irregular location. You cannot identify in which location this disease will occur. Okay, so very simple. Sporadic means अपरिचित, irregular. Okay, for easy understand, pandemic, you know, I think you have all understood pandemic. This is COVID-19 throughout the continent. Sporadic means, I have told, sporadic means अपरिचित मूवी, जो जिसको स्पोरेडिक समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो जाके वो अपरिचित मूवी को देखे, ठीक है, अपरिचित. सो स्पोरेडिक, आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल, ग्रीन ईयर डिजीज ऑफ बाजरा, green ear disease of bajra. This is the sporadic disease. Okay. And GI tag कहाँ पे मिला ना? GI tag, it is which one? It is endemic. Okay. Sorry. More or less consonant. This is so for remember purpose. Just remember, GI tag means endemic, अपरिचित means sporadic. Sporadic, irregular. Sporadic means irregular. Okay. Epidemic means widely occur periodically. You have to remember the word. Endemic means it is constant, moderate to severe, confined to a particular area. Okay. And just remember, early blighted potato, this is endemic. Epidemic is late blighted potato, again red rot of sugar. Sporadic, green ear disease of bajra. Pandemic, you know, the COVID-19. Okay. So another example, wheat rust in epidemic. Another example is wheat rust. You can write another example is wheat rust. Another example is wheat rust. Okay, so this is a thing you have to remember. What is endemic, epidemic, sporadic, pandemic. So if you have any doubt, then please comment. Please ask in the comment section. And if you are liking this channel, then please like it, subscribe it, and share it. And I promise you that definitely in my lecture 2 to 3 questions will be asked in the examination. So please be serious whoever appear in the double exam or any ICS exam. Okay. So thank you.